we learned last lesson. What did we learn during the last lesson? So we were talking about standard laboratory practices. Who can tell us some of the ways in which we can observe the standard laboratory practices in a laboratory layout? Yes, Peter? SLPs, like for example, when we want to observe safety in a laboratory, what should we do? What should we wear? For example, we have the PPEs. What are some of the PPEs? Dust coat? Yes. Gloves, Josephine? Yes, thank you. And also we talked about the hygiene and waste management. So today we are going to learn about microscopy. So in today's lesson, we want to learn about various types of microscopes. So we have types of microscopes, and some of the types we have bright field microscope, dark field, electron, fluorescent, and digital microscope. Now, who can tell us what a bright field microscope is? In light microscope, we have two types. So we have the bright field and the dark field. So I'm going to give you some images so that you can go through and tell me the differences between these various types of microscopes. Now the bright field and the dark field microscopes, these are the light microscope. Dark field, how many? Okay, who can tell me the parts of the dark field microscope and the bright field microscope? This is generally the light microscope. Peter, you may answer the light microscope. Eyepiece lens, Josephine? In a common light microscope, which part do you know? You have the field and yes, fine adjustment, no? Yes, Peter? Stage, thank you. So, the difference between a bright field microscope and the dark field, the bright field uses transmitted white light to illuminate a specimen, whereas the dark field microscope, it uses oblique illumination to visualize specimen, resulting in a bright image against a dark background. So this one is a light microscope. So you can see we have the eyepiece lens, we have the refolding nosepiece, we have the stage, we have the diaphragm, condenser, the fine adjustment knob, post adjustment knob, the arm, and the rest of the parts. So since we are dealing with many types today, I don't want to dwell much on this. So next we have the scanning and transmission electron microscope. So this one is just like the light microscope, but the difference is that it is an electron microscope. So we have various parts. Who has the electron microscope? Electron microscope. The scanning and transmission electron microscope. Which
BSC detector.
Yes.
I can see the stage.
Yes.
I can see fluorescent screen.
Yes.
I can see electron source.
Yes, thank you. So I want us to discuss the functions of the unique parts of an electron microscope. So the first one, we have the anode. The function of the anode is to attract and accelerate electrons that are emitted to form a focused electron beam. Okay? Is that clear? Next, we have the BSE detector. This is the backscattered electron detector. This one generates images based on the composition of the sample. And then we go to the next. We have the fluorescence microscope. Who has the fluorescence microscope? Share with us the parts that he or she can see. Yes.
Discharge.
Yes.
Filled in aperture diaphragms.
Yes.
You have transmitted light filters.
Okay. Yeah, so the fluorescence microscope. What do you know when it comes to your mind? What's a fluorescence?
I think
Yes, Peter?
these are microscopes that work on the principle of fluorescence. That is, it uses a dye that is able to fluoresce and convert short waves of light to longer waves of light, which are then transmitted.
Thank you. Thank you for that explanation. So the unique working of the fluorescence microscope is that it's an optical microscope that utilizes fluorescence to observe specimens. So just like as Peter asked. And then finally we have the digital microscope. This one it's somehow like a light microscope like this, but then we have an attached screen over here. It's called digital LCD screen. Has anyone seen any of a digital microscope before? Okay, so maybe who has the digital microscope with us to share, yes, the unique parts of it?
It has a digital ICD screen. It also has the diopter adjustment.
Yes.
The only difference with others is the digital LCD screen.
Okay, yes. So, in this digital microscope, the function of a digital LCD screen is it's the primary interference for viewing and interacting with magnified images of the specimen. So this one, it replaces the traditional eyepiece, whereby you can just view the image over here. But with this one, because it is attached to an LCD screen, you can view your images over here in a broad manner, and it's very clean, right? Yes. Otherwise, the other parts are the same. We have the eyepiece lens, diopter adjustment, nose piece, objective lenses, the stage, condenser, illumination, the base arm, stage coarse adjustment, no, fine adjustment, no. So, having looked at the types of the microscopes and their parts, who has a question up to that part? Okay, if there is no question,